India today is proud of the wildest out-of-the-box startups like Paytm, Ola, Zomato, to name a few. But this entrepreneurial craze is not something that is recent. Every Indian has always levitated towards Vyapar as a career choice. This has happened for millennials in India's rich history. In this video, we take a look at some of the oldest companies in India which operate to this day. You're in for a surprise because they span centuries. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to us and hit the bell icon. We publish new contents on stock market and business related stories daily. Subscribe now. 5 oldest companies in India that still make money. Here is a list of 5 of the oldest companies in India that are still in business and making tons of money. Wadia Group, founding year 1736. India's oldest conglomerate, the Wadia Group, was founded in 1736 when Parsi businessman Lovji Nasarwanji Wadia secured contracts with the British East India Company to build ships and docks. The company went on to build over 300 ships, some of them even used in wars, like the HMS Minden and HMS Trincomalee, which is still afloat and a historic relic today. The Wadia Group, under the leadership of Lovji and his brother Saurabhji, also built the Bombay Dry Dock, which was Asia's first dry dock, and the Surat shipbreaking yard. They also can be credited for making Bombay a strategic port for the British in Asia. The company is also credited with starting the Bombay Dyeing Company in 1879, which today is a flagship company of their empire. The company was started in a small-scale operation where cotton yarn was spun and dyed by being dipped in red, green and orange. Currently, the company has a market cap of over Rs 1,500 crores. Today, the Wadia Group conglomerate functions in sectors like aviation, healthcare, chemicals, FMCG and even owns the IPL team Punjab Kings. EID Perry Limited, founding year 1788. Unlike several other companies, EID Perry Limited was set up by English trader Thomas Perry as Perry & Co. in 1788. It was formed as a trading company for sugar and spirits. Over 6 decades, the company had become the country's largest trader of sugar. This prompted the company to separate its spirits and sugar business by forming East India Distilleries and Sugar Factories Limited. The company is also credited to be the first to manufacture fertilizers in the Indian subcontinent. The companies once again merged to form EID Perry in 1962 and were acquired by the Murugappa Group. Today, the company is still a giant in the sugar business with the capacity to crush 32,500 metric tons of cane per day. The conglomerate also operates in industries like distillery, biofertilizers, nutraceuticals, among others. Last year, the company successfully earned revenues of $2.4 billion. State Bank of India, SBI, founding year 1806. What catches many by surprise is that SBI is not only the oldest but also its purpose for being formed. Founded in 1806 as the Bank of Calcutta, it was set up mainly to fund British General Wellesley's war against the Marathas and ruler of Mysore, Tipu Sultan. The bank was renamed the Bank of Bengal in 1809 after mergers with other banks in the country and after being renamed to the Imperial Bank of India, the Government of India in 1955. It was then that the bank was renamed the State Bank of India. There are very few banks in the country that can boast to have had esteemed customers like those of SBI. These include the likes of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, scientist and science fiction writer Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, who pioneered the investigation of radio and microwave optics, and also India's first president Rajendra Prasad. Today, SBI is one of the biggest banks in the country with a market cap of Rs 3.76 lakh crores. In 2020, SBI was ranked as the 43rd largest bank in the world and also as the 221st biggest corporation by Fortune 500. RPG Group, founding year 1820. Many today revere the Goenka billionaire family of India, but their roots can also be traced back to the 19th century when Ramdutt Goenka founded it in 1820. The company, however, expanded under Keshav Prasad Goenka, Ramdutt's nephew. He played an important role in acquiring Duncan Brothers and Octavius Steel among several other businesses, making the company a conglomerate. His eldest son, RPG Goenka, founded the RPG Group. Today, the group is known for its flagship companies like CEAT Tires and pharmaceutical company RPG Life Sciences. The billion-dollar conglomerate also operates in infrastructure, technology, energy production, among others. Aditya Birla Group, founding year 1857. One of the biggest conglomerates in the country, Aditya Birla Group was founded in 1857 by Shiv Narayan Birla. But it was Ghanshyam Das Birla who played a key role in catapulting the Birla companies to where they are today. Setting up a trading business in jute, the company grew thanks to the increased demand for gunny bags during World War I. Ghanshyam Das Birla was also a close confidant to Mahatma Gandhi and also played an important role in India's freedom struggle. The billion-dollar conglomerate today has come a long way from its humble roots. In 2019, the company was bought in $48.3 billion. The group operates in the textile, finance, cement, mining, metal, retail and telecommunication industry among others. List of other oldest companies in India year-wise, excluding the ones mentioned earlier. Shapoorji Pallonji Group, 1865. Allahabad Bank, 1865. Nestle India, 1866. Tata Group, 1868. Dabur India, 1884. Punjab National Bank, 1895. Godrej and Boyce, 1897. Shalimar Paints, 1902. ITC, 1910. TVS Group, 1911. In closing, in this video, we looked into the list of the oldest companies in India that are still in business today. Taking a look at the oldest companies and their past is a history lesson in itself. Moreover, these conglomerates are a testament to India's entrepreneurial spirit. Let us know which is your favorite company among this list of oldest companies in India in the comment section below. Further, if you found this video informative, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting business-related videos. Have a great day and thank you.